Did you know that over 50 million Americans experience allergies each year? That's nearly 1 in every 6 people, all dealing with the frustrating symptoms of sneezing, congestion, itchy eyes, and more. It's a staggering statistic that highlights just how common allergy struggles are. And if you're listening to this, there's a good chance you or someone you love knows the discomfort all too well. Allergies don't just make us miserable for a day or two. For many, they're a constant nagging presence that interferes with sleep, productivity, and the simple joys of daily life. But what if there was a way to find relief without always reaching for over-the-counter medications or prescription drugs? What if you could take control of your allergy symptoms with simple, natural solutions you can create right at home? Today, we're diving into the world of DIY allergy remedies, time-tested, holistic approaches that are easy to make, effective, and, best of all, gentle on your body. Let's start by understanding why allergies are such a persistent problem. The most common triggers are all around us, sometimes invisible, yet ever present. Pollen is a major culprit, especially in the spring and fall when trees, grasses, and weeds release microscopic grains into the air. For many, just a short stroll outside can bring on a wave of sneezing and watery eyes. Dust mites, those tiny creatures that thrive in bedding, carpets, and upholstery, are another leading cause. Even our beloved pets can contribute to allergy misery, as their dander, tiny flakes of skin, becomes airborne and settles throughout our homes. Mold spores, often found in damp bathrooms or basements, are yet another trigger, as are certain foods and environmental pollutants. Allergies can impact every aspect of life. They disrupt sleep with nasal congestion and coughing, making it hard to feel rested. Concentration at work or school suffers. Activities like gardening, playing with pets, or even cleaning the house can become daunting tasks. Over-the-counter medications can help, but for some, they come with side effects like drowsiness or dry mouth. That's where natural DIY remedies come in, offering a different path to relief. Let's explore some of the most effective DIY allergy remedies you can try right away, using ingredients you probably already have at home. First, let's talk about saline nasal rinses. This simple remedy can work wonders for clearing allergens from your nasal passages. All you need is a cup of distilled or previously boiled water, half a teaspoon of non-iodized salt, and a pinch of baking soda. Mix the ingredients until fully dissolved. Using a squeeze bottle or neti pot, gently pour the solution into one nostril, allowing it to flow out the other. This rinse helps flush out pollen, dust, and other irritants, reducing inflammation and congestion. It's a safe, drug-free way to breathe easier and is especially helpful during peak allergy seasons. Next, consider the power of local honey. Many believe that consuming a teaspoon of raw local honey daily can help your body build a tolerance to local pollen, much like a natural allergy shot. While scientific evidence is mixed, countless people swear by this sweet remedy. Simply add a spoonful to your tea, drizzle it on toast, or enjoy it straight from the jar. Over time, you may notice a reduction in your allergy symptoms, plus you'll enjoy the natural antioxidants honey provides. Steam inhalation is another easy and soothing remedy. Fill a bowl with hot, steaming water and add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint essential oil. Drape a towel over your head and lean over the bowl, inhaling deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. The steam helps open nasal passages, and the essential oils provide a refreshing anti-inflammatory boost. This method is especially helpful when congestion is at its worst. Herbal teas can also provide relief. Peppermint tea acts as a natural decongestant, while chamomile has mild antihistamine properties. Simply steep a tea bag in hot water for a few minutes, inhale the soothing steam, and sip slowly. Not only does this ease symptoms, but it also provides a calming ritual to help you relax. Apple cider vinegar is a versatile remedy that many allergy sufferers find helpful. Mix a tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a glass of water with a bit of honey and lemon juice. Drink this mixture once or twice a day during allergy season. The vinegar is believed to support immune function and help break up mucus, making it easier to breathe. Now, let's highlight one standout remedy that's been gaining attention for its impressive results: homemade allergy relief balm. This easy-to-make ointment can be applied just under the nostrils before you head outside or start cleaning around the house. It acts as a barrier, trapping pollen, dust, and other airborne allergens before they can enter your nasal passages. To make this balm, you'll need just a few ingredients: 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of shea butter, and a few drops of lavender or tea tree essential oil. Melt the coconut oil and shea butter together in a small pan over low heat. Remove from heat, add the essential oil, and stir well. Pour the mixture into a small jar and let it cool until solid. Before exposure to allergy triggers, dab a small amount beneath your nose. The natural oils not only catch allergens, but also provide gentle moisture to dry, irritated skin. Many people have shared their experiences with this balm, describing how it's reduced their reliance on antihistamines and allowed them to enjoy outdoor activities again. One user reported that after years of avoiding springtime walks, the balm made it possible to spend hours in the garden without the usual sneezing and congestion. Another said that using the balm before dusting or vacuuming made household chores much more manageable. The simplicity and effectiveness of this remedy have made it a favorite among natural wellness enthusiasts. Before wrapping up, let's quickly recap the DIY remedies you can try at home to tame your allergy symptoms. Saline nasal rinses flush out irritants and reduce inflammation. Local honey may help build natural tolerance to pollen. Steam inhalation opens airways and soothes congestion. Herbal teas provide natural antihistamines and relaxation. Apple cider vinegar supports immune health and clears mucus. And the homemade allergy relief balm creates a protective barrier against airborne triggers. Remember, while these natural remedies are generally safe and easy to use, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have severe allergies or underlying health conditions. And of course, these remedies work best alongside common-sense prevention measures, like keeping windows closed during high pollen days, using air purifiers, and washing bedding frequently. If you've been struggling with allergies and want to take a more natural approach, give these simple remedies a try. With a little effort and consistency, you might discover that relief is closer than you think, found right in your kitchen or bathroom cabinet. Don't let allergies control your life. Empower yourself to fight back with nature's own solutions. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more natural wellness ideas. Wishing you clearer days and easier breathing ahead.